Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you what I like about these ISOtunes Link 2.0 protective Bluetooth headphones bundled with a boom mic. Whether it's using power tools or lawn equipment, hearing protection is a must. I enjoy listening to music while I work, and this would mean I'd often have to take my hearing protection on and off throughout the project. This Link 2.0 headphones and boom mic bundle is a great solution so you can take calls while you're working without having to remove your hearing protection. These are ANSI-Certified with a 25 decibel noise reduction rating, which is the same protection I used before, and that worked in all of my applications. The headphones themselves are really comfortable with padding in all the right places. At first I thought I would keep the boom mic off in most situations because it might get in the way, but I found that I didn't even notice it was there. I also didn't worry about it looking goofy because I'm pretty comfortable in my own skin and I enjoy having a little fun while I'm working. I found the battery life to be great, rated to an estimated 50 hours on a single charge. So if you often perform tasks that require comfortable yet functional hearing protection and you want the ability to pick up calls or listen to music while you work, I think these ISOtunes Link 2.0 protective headphones bundled with the boom mic is a great solution and you'll like it. And that's my point of view.